Disclaimer: this ebook has been written for informational purpose only. Only every effort has been made make this ebook complete and accurate as possible. However, there may be mistake in typography or content. Also, the ebook provided information only up to the publishing date. Therefore, this ebook should be used as a guide, not as the ultimate source. This purpose of ebook to educate the author and the publisher does not warrant that the information contained in this ebook is full completed and shall not be responsible for any error or omission. The author and publisher shall have neither liability or not nor responsibility to the any person or entity with respect to any loss or damage caused or alleged to be caused directly or indirectly by this ebook. Table of content. Introductory. 4. Chapter 1. Entrepreneurs Benefit of a home-based business. 5. Chapter 2. Entrepreneur Attribute for a successful business. 7. Chapter 3. Entrepreneur Opportunity from the beginning. 9. Chapter 4. Some important entrepreneurial attribute. 11. Chapter 5. 10 entrepreneurs. Be your one boss. 13. Chapter 6. Health, life and releasing stress for the entrepreneur. 15. Chapter 7. Different business opportunity for any entrepreneur. 17. Chapter 8. Fundamentally Factory of Famous Entrepreneurs. 19. Chapter 9. Some beneficial idea for your future business. 21. Introductory. Entrepreneurs are linked in many fields and are determined a different way by different people. The word has its original is French and it has developed into many meanings that related to people who accepted the risk starting a business. Entrepreneurs are the ones who are the founder of the company and also are the one who take the risk their business. Usually the common knowledge with entrepreneurs is that they are one who are builders of new entities, which is made of advance the present service or product in market. There is also profit and non-profit matter may vary accounting to the type of business management. They are considered one the most vital part of this capitalistic world. They are one who takes the credit of profit and loss or they are the one who take control of the fund. This requires a lot of hard work and fulfillment that demand in that particular area. They are the one who are for video satisfaction to your need and get benefit in the exchange for the supply. Their mostly focus relies on the gain of profit with a product or service. There are various type of entrepreneurs in market. As with the upcoming technology and service, there are entrepreneurs satisfying everyone need. Nowadays, entrepreneurs are more developing compared to old days. Risks can't be calculated and estimated. Risks got dominated the insurance principle and there are many methods through which the degree or frequency can be eva- evaluated. Entrepreneur qualified for both as a decision take the perform that they provide you answer to strategic way and long full term requirement which are untenable even when business process due or careful analyze. They are planning for increase their resource. The mix the factory like land resource, capital, labor and other source which help it in make the product which would meet the demanding of a person. As he is origin, he has a power of lending and the leader. Organizer has a right thing their place. Lead should have the mixture of value and ability which would support the group. Chapter 1, Entrepreneur Benefit of a Home Based Business. Trial and difficulties are two factors which developing entrepreneur is always expecting to meet. There is not a person does not face challenge in life. Luck are those who become entrepreneur the rich face. Rich face do not take talent with them. For talent to overcome, there are a lot of difficult and challenge to be faced. There are lots of business change of for people to show their entrepreneurial skill. One has to look for this change of and jumping into. With this opportunity, you can get your business off the ground. Nowadays, it is difficult task to get into market if you are one of the competitor of the big corporation. But it does not mean you have to back off. All you need to do the is great to touch with the right people who would help you the succeeding the world entrepreneurship. There has been increasing demand of home-based job and there are many people who are jumping in this field. With entrepreneur same case apply. There are many people are realizing that home-based business this is an ideal way for an entrepreneur business. If you are facing financial problem grading fund, then it is not issue to matter as there are many fencing company who would lend your money for your business rolling. But you should know how to get their fund. You need to deal with finance company by showing them your business plan and a projected finance statement. You should convince them and show your business is good investment option. There are many financiers who are the attracted toward this home-based business of entrepreneurs. With this plan, they are able to analyze their return of money. You can land your business on ground easily with then plan, but just make careful you are not victim of the high interest and the service charges. It is essential toward success to know entrepreneurs camping this their business. You should know the different entrepreneurial technique involved in your business. Ventures face lot of problems, so it is better you learn and technique and research on different aspect before you go on it. Home-based business have it is bonding too. They have problem in the gaining customer also gaining popularity. There are many people who fail and quit this job. All you need to so have strong confidence, your good will power within you to continue this business. The first year of your operating this business should truly test all your skill and patience too. You should carefully study the creation of people toward different things. Venture success does not lie their product, but sometimes also they where the are good sold. You should study the people or community around you, and understand the different aspect of them. You should deeply study and analyze the value of people thinking. Chapter 2, Entrepreneur Attribute for a Successful Business. Many many entrepreneurs are running business successful because of their positive attribute that help them in their success. When most successful entrepreneurs asked about their secret of success, they would resort to their attribute. There is not exactly a secret expect to the hey positive attribute to get business functioning. The definition of business has a altered thickening on the stage or during a year. With the help of advanced technology, we are release in no day. Computer or the technology and are all around us. You say. Computer as internet provide user freedom for email and web series or web page. The telephone system has also shown great improvement. It has changed according to time. Nowadays there is facility to fax, voice, email and cell phones. There is a technology proved to beneficial and or substance which keep the flow of business smooth. But positive attribute in person are important factor which cannot be ignored. Their positive traits help a business make successful entrepreneurial potential by all way. Those who are jumping in the entrepreneur must note some of point. There, there is two entrepreneur out to recognize their goals. One must set the goal at very initial stage of person. In the early age, the youngster need to be matched with discipline and providing background to their future goals. Parents educate at the phase which influence their positive traits. Those who can't afford to buy something thought parents believe in the themselves and work on it according to their method. Decision making rests in hand entrepreneur so he should be responsible person for it. Once you are set with goal and duty of person, it is struggle hard and learn the technique of our organization discipline and risk taking. Those who are entering in the field of entrepreneurship, a person should evaluate strength of weakness. A person must to not be overconfident with things. There is risk and fear in the business industry. Entrepreneurs should have skill for dealing with different opportunity. New come and old come must keep on searching for change and therapy that work ideal in today competitive business. Once you get the opportunity and have found it, you should jump into the it grab the change to get best of it. There is usually competition fund in business and cannot be drawback, but the success is evaluated by recognition and manifestation of the determined goals. Entrepreneurs should know effectively to deal and cover every small thing including finance and budget. They should be able to control outflow and inflow of finance. Going through fun in any enterprise is important for a successful entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs are aware of time when need to get help for the others. There is no super person who does not need help for other. Everyone in this world need help of other to run their business. Chapter 3 Entrepreneur Opportunity from the Beginning. Not, a, not everyone can be good entrepreneur. If you want to know that you are successful entrepreneur or not, you should ask yourself. Before implying any idea business, you should think long and hard. Decide if these things and are possible or not. Would your ideal bring business and return good revenue in business? For being an entrepreneur of business, you should have passion for starting one and maintaining the business. There are many risks involved in this business. You have to ready for it. Representing as an entrepreneur can change your life. You always have to be prepared for different circumstances throughout the business. There are some particular attributes that every entrepreneur must have or should develop on his own. This admit presentation hard work, independent belief in oneself, dedication and loyalty toward the quality and success. There are many more characters for a perfect and successful entrepreneur. If you have there's quality in you, then your products follow to the what sort of business you would establish and pros. There are thousands of changes available for the beginning of your entrepreneurs. There are wide range of choice. You should choose one in which you are going to engage yourself. You would find usually two type of approach while finding appropriate entrepreneur changing yourself for yourself. One traditional approach is the listening to your heart of bending toward your passion. When following this first approach, you need to do systematic and organized process in order to continue. It takes to careful projecting through explore of the market, understanding a need and making the product or service to satisfy and meet that need. We have to decide which field you are most concerned about. After that, you can now entry into the by researching the pros and cons that industry. You should also explore the different business found within that sector. Once you are done with the process, the next step follow is to survey if there is any unfulfilled demand in form, merchandise, service, cost, etc. Therefore, you can proceed to analyze the reveal and assuring how their business example work. You can make the beginning by building your preliminary business plan. You should be aware and you have done market research for it. After researching, you should see the market potential for the business you opt for. Revise and reassess the business plan and decide who can assist you in providing finance for your business. When following second approach for choosing the right type of entrepreneurial opportunity, you should follow behind your passion and their finance would be coming in some way. This in valuable risks and it can be attended by going discovering and keep observation. You should look around you different product and service to meet your need. One type of approach for business is called emission imitation. This help you the simple find the business model and copy in other area or of market. You can get support of franchise for your business model. Chapter 4. Some important entrepreneurial attribute. No one is born. No one is born perfect in this world. Neither anyone born with the skill. Anyone can be successful entrepreneur with the some attribute. This attribute would be help you the getting specific entrepreneurial attribute for a person to be fortunate in area of business. However, not everyone can become entrepreneur. There are few people who possess the character attribute in them. You can notice in yourself. Here are some of essential entrepreneur attribute which are helpful to those who want to entrepreneur in this field. Independence, this is the most usually denominator of the entrepreneur. They want to take over ascertain their future. They choose to be their one boss interest of the hiring some easy under and the observation or look of a boss or master. Any entrepreneur has feel the independence and will process ahead with a aim and of earning money by the one way and hard work. Persistence and determination. The business would be entrepreneurship is full of success and failure too. A most important ability of a successful entrepreneur is the persistence to continue engaging in his goal. Neglecting should be observed distraction may not get by. This statistic success would finish it by igniting one to the achieve in the destination of winning his choose area business. Self-confidence. Self-confidence is most of an entrepreneur. They should believe in their capacity and confident that will invest their best attempt into the particular attempt that similarly attract the best consequence from it. The business world is full of competition and is not usually localization for a small hearted people. This is for blood hearted person. If your belief in the your capacity which is important factor accomplishing the goal world into creativity. In this competitive world of business, you cannot allow to be continue the animative, animated desire to challenge or to the group of on front of you. You should be creative in this field. You should have capacity to create and explore new idea. You should also have capacity to find new way to solve problem. This is a sure short way of keeping your business at competition. Creating people have qualities of curiosity, inquisitive, being the flexible when thinking or exploring with the idea. They have good sense of observing the environment and keep any eye on different catching new trending that could be possibility of business opportunity. Any entrepreneur should be organized and focused in attaining his goal. He can do this by the organize his each and every step in achieving his goal so that there is lesser time and resource used of. He should be expert in vision for his future. This imagination may be a short long of a middle term, but whatever the imagination are, they would help you in expanding your business. Any entrepreneur should be ready to calculate the risks and face the result of it. You should have enough confidence and courage to confront failure or success and start over again regardless of many setbacks. He should have perseverance, heart to quality of his commitment to business is most entrepreneur. He should be honest of honorable to hard work. Chapter 5, 10 entrepreneurs by be your own boss. There are there are a lot of youngsters who cannot get into a job as they are not old enough for that, but they wish to earn that one money. From them, there are few of questions which they need to reply to themselves. One, are you determined enough to earn money with your own labor? Do you wish to be your own boss when you earn money? If the answer to the above question is in affirmation, then you have the quality to be entrepreneur who can definitely succeed. To start your business, you need to have any idea for it and the jelly to earn money on your own. Along with this your goal must be to be the boss. These are seed for the three that make you a successful entrepreneur. Here are a few ideas that can guide you to be then entrepreneur. It is one of the thoughts attempted on the go ahead with try to the entrepreneurship. One one that careful you have to determine yourself one what sort of entrepreneurship you can handle with success. Also what you like to do and what all catch it your attention the most, which is the field you have most knowledge about. The answer to this question will lead you to the idea of your business. Along with this, you are also out to commit yourself to business to make it a success. Idea for 10 entrepreneurship. It is not always true that the 10 cannot get the idea for a business. To get any idea for the Business you only need to think ingeniously and productivity, along with the search of the best solution to get problem in the present time and keep eye and changing trend. You can also ask people in the family and amongst your friends or search in book or ask your mentor for the idea. Try to best to find out all the pros and cons of the business that you wish to take off. The basic thing that it to be clearly understand is that business is exchange. Also you need to understand the law of demand and supply. This law goes along at every level. What is the next step after the idea? When you get the idea, think that whether it is practical or not. This must be such which people notice. Some or other kind of need must be satisfied to make the idea work. You must determine whether you can bring the idea to follow or not. If the demand is not there, it can be created. Arrange for the finance, which is the most important thing. Before you finalize or starting the business, you must get solution to all the things discussed here. A couple of the idea for 10 entrepreneurs. 1. Make decorative candles which are useful as well as item or decoration. The material is cheap and easily available. 2. You can provide the service like talking the pits out or buying the grocery or washing car. Chapter 6. Healthy life and releasing stress for the entrepreneur. Sometimes we Sometimes we think running a business is a easy task and including lot of fun too. But this is not a completely fact. Getting into business along with fun and rewards is also stressful. There are a lot of pressures in the workload, including when running a business. For lots of entrepreneurs, there is a lot of workload, which is one of the factors for stress. Many believe that working hard and working extra time is beneficial for your business. Entrepreneurial life started with hard working and long working hour and ends the same. The pressure is more when you one company rather working some company. Stress builder up more and more when there is a lot of work pressure, other sort of work. When there are many tasks to be completed or to be done, and at same time there is responsibility toward home. The stress level increase. There are some entrepreneurs women who have work at office while they have to give contribution of themselves at home. Future job is to take care and complete their responsibility toward their kids. Mostly in many entrepreneur finance future of business is very stressful. Many of them have some loan to repay from whether they have lent, which cause a lot of stress and relatedness. Entrepreneurs, one of the main goals is blanching his money and fund. He should be able to get more income rather than expense. When a person cannot maintain balance, usually it are lot of stress in entrepreneur's life. Entrepreneurs are trending to take decision accurately and rapidly. For the beginner, this kind of environment is not a easy task. It can result in lot of pressure and stress. There are many other reasons which contribute to stress toward entrepreneurs. He should have perfect balance in his personal and professional life. To dedicate stress and maintain equilibrium should be some easy step or steps. You should clean the before you start your work. Keep away all those things which cause dis- disorder on your desk. A clean desk would contribute a pleasant work atmosphere. Entrepreneurs should keep daily planner which should help them doing this is a better way and avoid the stress. With this daily planner, you should be able to finish the work at time and do not have pressure build up on last minute. You should contribute your time toward each work and this would help you the solving your problem. Doing one work at time would help you completing and doing work nicely. In order to avoid your stress and should hire person as a helper and to you. It is better to get right person for your assistant rather than delaying or not being able to do work. You should assign right work to right person in order to avoid stress. Every day you are trained to do many things. For getting things coordinate, you should make the plan and work according to it. You should be ideal your time as time to money in business terms. You would learn to business as day progress with experience. Chapter 7 Different Business Opportunity for Entrepreneurs. Nowadays, with increasing technology changing lives, there are many changing phases in the business area too. There is a wide opening of business opportunity for entrepreneurs. You should decide it yourself in which field you want to enter. Before entering, it is necessary you should hold little expertise in that particular field. Before you start any business, it is necessary to have little or more opportunity for starting the business. In dealing with all any kind of business, you should put your personal efforts on it in, in order to run or get a successful business. It is also necessary you choose, match the public choice and also with the latest trend. It is no use of opening the business which is the note in demanding and can bear great loss because of it. Here are some of hostess and latest various of business opportunity open to entrepreneurs. Communication coach when dealing with in America business the moment of communicating the involved. If there is no proper communicator, there are no business transaction which would exist. Many offer in America lacks a skill of powerful and effective communication. No matter the level of business you have, low or high profile, the office member are determined to communicate the oral variable of the technology front due to lack of communication skill and many of them fail in this task. Although there are many classes accommodated to higher school and college level so that graduates do not face such kind of problem in their future. The demanding business changing for entrepreneurs make the group that would train and student or people in highly effective way in field of communication. In this world full of advantage technology, the idea information and transaction are act, acted through internet. Blogging is one of the demanding or raising business opportunity for business. Blog write should be highly powerful no matter what sort of business you have. Blogging nowadays are considered as one of the market strategy. It is done in order to ponder your company in front of others. Those companies who have part in this business should give good training to their employees in matter of writing. Securities need to run technology based business. There are many competitors and you must secure your information. As entrepreneur, this field is demanding and you can be one completed it is needs. There are consist- construction related problem which the entrepreneur can get solution of like plumbing, electric, carpenter and other contracting service. With increasing online business, there is demanding of online secretaries. Many people are in search of secretaries who can provide them good business and take care of everything as an entrepreneur this good job which can help you gaining business. eBay is most of demanding website which invited money and customers. There are lot of mobile phone application detect detached on your phone this day. There is increasing demand of for updated upgraded phone. Chapter 8 Fundamental Factors of a Famous Entrepreneur. There is one fundamental key in doing a business that is growing you. There are many famous entrepreneurs who go through this stage. The pattern of self-development may vary from different person to other person. There is no particular pattern for description for various input. If you want to be among the famous entrepreneur or like them, it is necessary to follow some of the tips mentioned above. Before you find your negative, it is better to look on your positive point. It is better to know in which field you are good at while getting into your own business. You should know your strength and use it in improving your business for your benefit. It would help you the producing good amount of income and would help you improve your personal development too. It is your decision how much you want to improve. When you become founder a business, you should know demanding of your business toward you. A person learn in life when he accepted more challenging, he learn very lesson for one challenge. The way you experience thing yourself would help you in learning thing in better way. When you experience thing, you learn how to cope up with them in different way when you are handling it yourself. When you are venturing through your business entrepreneurship, it does not state that you would improve or get worsen toward your financial condition. All you require is improving yourself to some factor depending on your business and need like risks and with different problems you face in business. Controlling a new enterprise and dealing with new operation you have to make sure that things would make certain change in you. Before you jump into any business, you should be assured that how much risks are involved in it and how much possibility of success or failure, including in it. The way of your dealing with business would actually build up your self development. With every new try you give yourself, your business, your team, and you should gather and accept it with new changes that will require a business to go well. This would help you personally to go higher with the highest and use you develop more. There are fewer change which is not support your growth. Your pathway or self-realization would provide beneficial to you and help you in fulfilling all your responsibility. A business entrepreneur encounter with success should have a good mixture of attributes skill, belief, and training capacity. All this work together would help a business venture and extend the growth of product services. It is considered in this business venture those who had undergone many hardship or one who learned the most. They have experience to accept the risks and return where they have failed and where they have succeeded. Chapter 9 Some beneficial idea for your future business. Preservation of environment is getting more apparent than earlier. Now, to concern old age and the equally physically body has been occupied by many people and most especially women. Protection of future has rapidly overwhelmed the present need. Business that would provide a solution for this type of question would get a great profit in years to come soon. People are ready to spend their money and considering environment clean at the same time handling their face young staying bay for their retirement. Here are some business ideas that would work in future for many people. One of them is spiritual diet. This is a diet which would help you person stay longer and maintain their figure. As per the survey done in the National Eating Disorder Association, they mentioned that almost 45% person of women are on our dating compared to many which are just 25%. 8% of women accepting that they are not satisfied with the figure. There are people are in search of product which would help them improving their figure. Getting into this type of business would turn out to be a good profit. Other type of health product. To meet demand of people, there are many product in market. Nowadays, people are in search of product which would keep their body health. So if you any product which satisfy need a people to keep human body health would prove to have a good business. You would find some of product which are demanding in today were like to tea, guessing call berries, etc. There is increased demand of organized food in market as nowadays everyone is our gently modified organism and now their effect toward body. So they are more delicate on the type of food they are consuming. Consuming water business and another sort of water product would surely help in getting business in future. This business proved to be profit. There are many people who are very careful regarding the water. Nowadays, people are always in searching of purify and cleaning water. Earlier, people used to get the water from any source and drinking it. While nowadays there is demand of dispenser at office, home and many places. Establish your business in this world turn out to be good income for you. There are many ecological products which are in demand like furniture, home decor, flooring and other products which concentrating nature and them same time they are useful to you. High-tech security system are in demand. We are always in need of better security for your bleeding out restricts in the access to some one leaks. With modern technology, you would find products which include written scan, fingerprint, etc., which help you in securing your belonging. There was some of idea that would create your business and provide your better future.